video we are going to calculate the solar time. So the question states that at Madison, Wisconsin, longitude 89.40 degrees, standard time meridian has 90 degrees. What is the solar time corresponding to central time on February 3? So in tackling this type of question, we need one or a few things to take note of, like formulas. So in dealing with such type of questions, we have to know some formulas. For example, on this question, the formula to calculate solar time is given as follows. Solar time is equals to 4 multiplied by the standard meridian time, which is LST, minus the longitude time, which is LIOC, multiplied by 4, plus E. And E is the equation of time. We shall talk about it soon, plus the standard time. So on this equation, our LST, we have it, our LIOC, we have it. What we don't have is E. So how do we calculate E? E is calculated as 22.9.2 open bracket mod 0, quad 075 plus 0,001868 cos B minus 0,032007 sin B minus 0,01461 cos 2B minus 0,04089 sin 2B. And B can be calculated as n minus 1 multiplied by 360 over 365. And n is the nth day of that solar time. So we need to write what we have and find out what we don't have, and then go ahead. So our given data, we are given standard time 10:30 a.m. we are given longitude time LST 89.40, we are given local standard time is 90 degrees, we are given nth day 31 plus 3, which is equals to 34. How do we calculate nth day? Nth day can be calculated as from 1 January up to a given date. We just add the days of those months and get the nth day. So after that, we have to calculate what it will be. In calculating B, we say n minus 1 multiplied by 360 over 365. Plug in the numbers, 34 minus 1 multiplied by 360 over 365, we get 32.55. So after that, we have to calculate also our E, equation of time, which is in minutes. So as we said earlier, how do we calculate E? We can say 229.2 multiplied by all the inside brackets, and we get minus 13.49. So why minus 13? Minus 13, these are minutes, which the negative sign represent that the time is before noon. So moving on to our solution. So we have everything that we need to come up with a solution. We have our standard time 10:30 a.m. We have our LST, LIOC, nth day, our E, we have it, our B, we have it. So moving on to calculate our value or our solution, we can say solar time is equals to 4 open bracket 90 degrees minus 89.4 plus open bracket negative 13.49 plus 10:30 a.m. So simplifying bit by bit, we get 2.4 minus 13.45 plus 10:30 a.m. And after that, we can get 11 minus 11 minutes plus 10:30 a.m. Adding minutes to the minute side, which is 30, minus 11, we get 10:19 a.m. This is our solar time. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. See you in the next video. Thank you.